In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shifts in Hubstaff. So whether you're a team manager looking to optimize scheduling or a business owner aiming to improve productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process. First, it's important to understand why adding shifts in Hubstaff can be a valuable tool for your team. It allows you to manage your team's work schedules efficiently, making sure everyone's time is utilized effectively. This can lead to higher productivity and better project outcomes. Now, let's get started with the actual process of adding a shift. The first step is heading to the Hubstaff dashboard, where you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find the calendar option. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a traditional calendar, so go ahead and click on that. The calendar is a powerful feature that not only helps you schedule shifts, but also allows you to visualize timelines and track your team's progress. Once you're on the calendar page, let's focus our attention on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see the action button. This is where you initiate most of your task management activities. Clicking on this action button will present you with a variety of options, and among them, you'll find the Create Shift option. Selecting this option is the gateway to setting up your team's work schedule. Upon clicking Create Shift, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you don't miss any important details. This might include selecting the team member you want to assign the shift to, choosing the exact start and end times, and adding any relevant notes or instructions specific to this shift. Let's take a moment here to highlight a few tips to make the process smoother. When creating a shift, make sure that the start and end times align with your team's operational hours to avoid any confusion. You can also customize the shift schedule to accommodate any special projects or deadlines. After filling in all the required details, don't forget to double-check your inputs. Accuracy is key. You wouldn't want your team members showing up at the wrong time or missing important tasks because of a scheduling error. Once you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and finalize the shift creation. Finally, it's always a good idea to communicate with your team once the shifts are added. This could be through a quick message or email to ensure everyone is aware of their schedules. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add shifts in Hubstaff that helps you manage your team's work hours effectively. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and that you're now ready to optimize your team's productivity with ease. Thanks for watching, and be